Today, I'm going to show you how to centrally deploy our Outlook add-in as a Microsoft admin. To begin, you need to head to admin.cloud.microsoft, and it should bring you to a page that looks like this. And so if you can see Microsoft 365 Admin Center, you're in the right place, and you have the correct privileges to do this. To start, let's head over to the left-hand column and click Show All, then Settings, and then Integrated Apps. Next up, we need to click Upload Custom Apps. For the app type, we choose Office Add-in, and then we want to choose Upload Manifest File. Click Choose File and choose the file provided in the guide. This will upload from your computer, and when complete, we can go to the next step. Okay, you can see it's been validated. We click Next. Here it says what users do you want to give access to. We want to give access to all users. If you want to only give access to specific Microsoft users under your account, you can do that here, but in most cases, we want to give access to all our users. Click Next. This is just the permissions that the add-in requires in order to inject your email signature. Click Next, and then Finish Deployment. Now we just wait for Microsoft to deploy the add-in. Okay, it's done. Please take note that it can take up to 72 hours for the app to appear in your end user's Outlook accounts. So it might not be instantaneous, but just take note of that. Once it does show up, if you go into your Outlook email client, you click New Mail, you'll see it show up here. And when you click on it, you can configure which email signatures you want to install. If it doesn't show up here straight away, it could also be hiding in this app drawer on the ribbon, and you can just click on it here. That's it.